They say we've never been more connected, but look closer and you'll see we've never been more distracted. Every morning, millions wake up not to sunlight, but to a screen. Notifications become the new sunrise. The mind, before the body even stirs, is already sprinting, scrolling through other people's lives, while our own stands still. But let's face the truth. This isn't just distraction, it's dependency. Each swipe releases a drop of dopamine, the brain's reward chemical, tricking us into feeling productive, entertained, alive. Yet, over time, the more we scroll, the less we feel. Because what screens give in stimulation, they steal in stillness. Your attention, the most precious currency of consciousness, is being auctioned every second, and the highest bidder isn't you. Think about it. When was the last time you sat in silence without reaching for your phone? When did boredom become unbearable? When did your thoughts stop being your own and start sounding like a feed? Our brains were never built for this. Neurons wired for nature, movement, and real human faces now struggle to process flickering pixels and endless information streams. The prefrontal cortex, the part that governs focus and decision-making, becomes fatigued, overstimulated, and fragmented. Attention fractures, memory weakens, anxiety grows. But here's the paradox. The same brain that built the screen can break free from it. The first step is awareness. Notice how your body reacts when you reach for your phone. That little urge, that twitch of impatience, is your brain craving its chemical fix. But when you resist, even for a minute, you begin to rewire. Dopamine levels rebalance, the mind relearns patience, and focus, that lost art, begins to return. The second step is reconnection, not to Wi-Fi, but to the body. Physical movement is the antidote to digital paralysis. A walk in sunlight resets circadian rhythms. Breathwork recenters scattered thoughts. Strength training reactivates dormant energy. Every push-up, every step, every stretch is a rebellion against passivity. And then comes cognitive training, meditation, reading, journaling. Each practice strengthens neural pathways that technology has dulled. Your brain begins to crave depth again, not just speed. Reclaiming focus isn't about deleting apps. It's about rebuilding identity, because your attention defines who you are. And when you control where it goes, you reclaim your power, your purpose, your peace. So the next time you reach for your screen, pause. Look at your hands. Feel your breath. Remember, life is happening here, not there. The world behind the glass can wait, but the one in front of you, the one within you, can't. Because every time you choose presence over pixels, you are not just escaping addiction, you are reclaiming yourself.